Today I'm making a delicious dish that I like very much. I am making lamb chops, grilled first and then slowly saute in Salsa Brava Negra. Salsa Brava Negra is made with poblano peppers, tomatillos, and chile de árbol, lime juice, and sea salt. It's delicious. It has lots of flavor. So today, roasted lamb chops is slowly sauteed in Salsa Brava Negra with roasted potatoes, is sprinkled with lemon pepper, rosemary, and I'm having a green salad. Why not? So this is how you make it. You go and select your favorite lamb. In this, I'm using lamb chops. Go ahead and cut them, grill them to taste. I like them medium rare because later we're going to slowly cook them in salsa. Once that the lamb chops are ready to your taste, go ahead and turn the fire down on your pot where you cook the potatoes, where you fry the potatoes, and pour in the Salsa Brava Negra. If you need to reduce it, go ahead and add chicken broth. Cook it slowly. Let the flavor simmer in. And then for the potatoes, you just fry potatoes, and I like them a little crispy. And then go ahead and sprinkle them with lemon pepper and rosemary, and you'll be amazed of the taste. So here we have now lamb chops with Salsa Brava Negra potatoes and a salad. This is a very delicious, very nutritious meal that you can do at home. And I'm gonna taste a little bit of potato and salsa, and then I'm gonna eat the whole thing. You gotta make it for yourself. It's amazing. Look at it. You will like it. Until the next time, enjoy. Take care.